What is up, guys? Welcome to today's video. We are here in Teesside British Drift Championship round 1 Friday practice. We did a bit of change into the car yesterday. We had Axel Francois from the Drift Masters grid. He actually got on to me. He drove a C6 Corvette on Drift Week. He gave me some settings advice, and also Matt Field was on last night as well, so shout out to Matt. Trying to watch my onboards from the 5 laps I did to change some things on the car. We have no idea if it's going to make it better or worse, but we're going to practice now. Get some light, easy laps in today. I'm still very, very fresh in the car. I have no idea. Pro practice is about to start. I'm jumping in, not doing too much more talking. Just going to go try and get some laps in.
Jealous.
The mustache?
Jealous of the mustache still.
Yeah.
Right, good luck out there.
Thanks, dude.
Take it easy.
It's not gonna last long.
She can chase. Still need to tidy up so much though.
There's no point sitting in going, this was an 80 grand car, I have to mind it. Fucking fired in it. You're probably fixing it. But that's what you're here for. Having the weekend off.
Didn't like your front splitter, did you?
Bad?
You just blew up the front splitter off the car.
I hit the tire, the water barrier. I thought the car wasn't as wide.
Well, yeah, I think you found the limit of it now.
It's big on the track.
It's big. Do you realise how close to the wall you were on that last one?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure, did you get...
I knew he did it!
Oh!
I knew he did it, I heard it!
Oh, Dave!
You're not going to feel out the car at all.
Dave, you got a scuff mark on it already!
That's the way we have to start, boys.
Well, start as you mean to go. That's it, it's a nice mark.
How bad did I hit it? Did I damage the kit?
Lacquer peeled or lacquer crack.
You got a bit of lacquer crack
Your
here.
splitter is somewhere.
Jeez, that's not held up. That was a big bang. I knocked the whole water. I knocked the whole water barrier down the track.
Okay, now go to the back.
That's fine. I don't mind that.
I drove it just off.
Oh, lads!
I heard it, Wayne said, no, he didn't hit it. And
Because I was going.
You did?
When I went by it, I went probably fairly close to that because I'm pretty deep in here. Like I'm just trying to get a feel for where the back of the
Is that
car
a
is.
clutch kick entry?
Yeah.
So you didn't have much control once you entered?
No, I clutched it when I came back on the handbrake. I was like, no, I'm definitely going to get the clip. I didn't know I was that close to the wall.
I couldn't see a thing! So first practice was okay. I started off in third gear trying to do it all, but it's tough on the car, it's tough on the clutch. It's kind of, you had to really rally it on. So Dave said over the radio, try take it down second, then go up to third, which usually I'd be against because I don't like changing gear, but it's actually not too bad on that part of the track. And on the last run, I tried to keep it in second just to see if it would do it, but then I changed up to third, and it was fine. But yeah, I feel a bit more comfortable. It's fucking daunting. Oh, you're making the pit area look all nice.
Oh, nice.
Look at this.
Making it jazzy, as you'd say.
Jazzy.
Yeah.
I get it. It's the finish flag. Checkered flag. Race car.
Yeah. Race car, sports car. You're the times today, Josh, are you?
Oh, why are all these people skidding everywhere?
Skidding everywhere, just like, yeah, grip racing through.
Today's gonna go out now. He's got a few things down in the car, but hopefully he'll get them all nailed.
I'm pushing a bit now and making mistakes.
Yeah, you're pushing at the last corner. And you made a dive on that.
Just trying to find the limits.
I mean, you're not struggling to catch anyone and people are struggling to catch you.
It's good.
So that's a good thing.
Just need to tidy up my lead line now.
Yeah. It looks good to me.
Better than this morning.
Yeah. Sakes! I'm gonna cry. This is f***ing ridiculous. I wanna. Why would it f***ing do it? Oh! Still can't do it. stupid twat! Why can't I change? Day one is complete and the car is complete.
Keeps cutting out.
What?
Keeps cutting out.
Oh god. Oh no.
3 laps in a row and cut out.
Unload?
Yeah, cut out behind Bagsy, just no power.
Is that why you spun?
Yeah, just went dead. And the last 2 runs dead again. It could be temperatures, I don't know.
Was it lost power like the throttle went?
Like limp mode, it just went to nothing. It'll still drive, but no rev. I think it's the link. It was definitely hot though.
Well, hopefully Wayne's got his computer and he'll be able to go through the data log and be able to diagnose if there is actually a problem with it.
So yeah, Josh, you're going for your last session?
Yeah, I'm pumping those tyres up from 20 to around 50 psi and hoping that will solve a gear change issue.
What I'll do is I'll film a few from the outside and we'll have a little bit of fun. Relax, take it easy. You're putting pressure on yourself now, which is the worst thing you can do. Take it easy, go for it, have fun, and then at the end of this session we'll have a chat and see what we can work out for
You're
tomorrow.
mad to spray, Dave.
There's nothing in it.
Sorry, did you see if you were fucking going?
Right, so we'll give this a go. Okay, maybe progress has been made.
Alright guys, so day one of BDC is in the books. We've had ups and downs today, Josh. I was driving really crap, then I drove better, then I drove too well, then I kind of broke the car by overheating it. But I feel a bit more confident in it. As the first day in the car, I feel like it's got a lot of potential. It's fast, it's snappy though, and I have to figure some things out like that. Your car got it, then the track got gripped up, then lost it again. They got very angry that you lost it and threw a tantrum.
You know what, I never got it back from having it, and until the last few runs.
Yeah.
And I did celebrate quite a bit.
You did 3 laps at the end that would probably get you good qualifying tomorrow. So that's all you gotta do.
Which is all I wanted. All I wanted from today was to be able to get around the track in a manner that I had a chance in qualifying. I will find out where to do a gear change, what it seems like.
Yeah.
Second and third, tricky.
And at the same time, you're dressed a little bit like a mime.
Well, I mean, I didn't want to dirty another t-shirt, and I didn't want to stay in my race suit, so it's a bit of a compromise between joggers, and I feel like I look like I'm going to the gym.
You look like some sort of Olympic athlete.
Let me just suck it in.
You look great. So yeah guys, that's a roundup from round one of It's not round one, day one of BDC.
It's not even BDC, this is a practice day.
It's just a practice day. You didn't go on, you had some issues.
His head went apart.
His head exploded.
I really know.
But we had a lot of fun. It's great to be back at an event. It's great to be drifting again. It's great to be seeing people again. Both cars are in one piece and ready for the fight for the weekend. So yeah, let's move on to day one next week.
What the hell was that?
Day one next week.
Give me that camera, I do it. We're a new school, old school.
So we are ready for the rest of the weekend. I need some sleep and maybe some pints, and we'll see you guys in the morning for Pro-Am. Josh is up, qualifying, hopefully qualifies. We'll see you then. Wish us luck.